Hello, good afternoon, ma'am.
Hello, Sangeeta. Good evening. How are you?
Good, so sorry. Yes, ma'am, I'm fine, and thanks for asking me. And what about you? How are you
I'm
doing?
doing well. I took rest for some time, so feeling really energetic, refreshed right now.
Okay, actually, ma'am, I'm really enthusiastic to see you on my channel again, once again, and
Hmm.
welcome to my channel one more time.
Thank you so much, and I'm equally delighted to meet you all over again. And tell me, how was your day?
Yeah, my day was pretty well. Actually, today it was swimming day of my child's school. So I forget to keep the uniform in his
Mm-hmm.
bag because as you know that my law is pursuing and I'm engaged in this activity.
Mm-hmm.
So then he called me, his ma'am, you forgot to give the costume. So I came to his school to give the his
Mm-hmm.
costume. Yeah. So it was
Okay.
very funny day, and it was pretty well my day.
Mm-hmm.
And because as you know that when the child enjoy at any place, so mother also we got happy to see their child.
Right, right. Do you often have a look at your child when you go to school? Do you get that chance?
Yeah, I
Mm-hmm.
have seen that when
Okay,
he
he's in
go to
kindergarten right now, right?
yeah, he's in kindergarten right now.
Very nice. It's his time to just have fun. Like he doesn't have
Yeah.
that burden of studies and books and bags, right?
Yes,
Very
yes,
nice.
that's why. Actually, recently, firstly, he doesn't want to go his school, but when his school they started activity like dance and watching any videos
Mm-hmm.
and swimming and all activities has been started. So he start going to his school, and now
Hmm.
he wake up early in the morning, and I don't wake up early. So now he is
Okay.
very enthusiastic to go his school
Right.
because
He
all the
became
children want.
habitual.
Yes, and all actually, as you know, ma'am, that all the children want to play. That is
Hmm.
the things to go to school because
Right.
there is no burden now. Right now, there is no burden in
Hmm.
his
Moreover,
school.
they are getting many friends there of the same age.
Yes, ma'am. That's why.
Hmm.
But firstly, he doesn't want to go, but now he doesn't make me trouble.
Okay, okay. So you
Yeah.
had your evening tea?
No, ma'am, I haven't. Still, I haven't eat. Actually, I when I make my child sleep and
Mm-hmm.
I sit here to make the session
Okay, so after
because I
this.
was waiting. Yes, after this session, I will have a tea.
All right. So
Actually,
do you take your afternoon nap as well?
no, ma'am. When I was making my child sleep, so I lay down at that time. But
Okay.
as he sleep, I woke up.
Mm-hmm. Right. Right. So you
I
you
didn't
have no
take a
time to rest.
no, ma'am. Actually, I don't have time to take rest because
Mm-hmm.
whenever I get time, so I start my study. Actually,
Mm-hmm.
as you know that, ma'am, when he is with me, so he always engaged with me. He doesn't
Hmm.
want to go anywhere. He always think that my mother always focus on me.
Right.
So, and I feel that somewhere he doesn't
Mm-hmm.
fall if he get her. So, what will do? Because as you know that I am living alone with my mother-in-law, and
Mm-hmm.
so that's why. So
Right.
that's why
And
I
that's
will
our
have
duty,
to.
right?
Yeah, that's why I will have to pay attention on him a lot. I can
Hmm.
do anything whenever he is with me.
Hmm.
When
True,
he
true, true.
go his school, so I free. I can do whatever I want actually.
Right, right.
Now he is
That
sleeping.
time the
He is
school teachers
sleeping.
will be the caretaker and you can have your
Yes, yes,
peace.
yes, ma'am.
Right. Every
Now
kid.
I am, yeah, now I am thinking when is school closed, what will do? How will I do my study? How will my practice? How will I manage all the things actually?
So when are his
I'm thinking
holidays
that.
about to start?
I think 26. I think
From
26
26th of
the
this
holiday.
month, right?
Yeah, yeah, yeah. And
Mm-hmm.
25 it's a PTM. But I
Okay.
can't go there.
Mm-hmm.
I can't go because there is a Bhagavad has been started in my areas. So
Mm-hmm.
I will participate. The Kalash Stapna. So I
Yes,
will
yes.
participate in the
Mm-hmm.
Kalash Stapna. So I will unable to go in his parents' meeting. but I
Very
will
nice.
talk by the phone with his teacher.
Hmm. Right. They'll definitely understand because he's just in kindergarten, so not a big deal. You go or not,
Yes,
right?
yes, ma'am. So
Okay.
just start quick introduction because my
Hmm.
audience, he knows very well, but let's
Just a
start
little
the
bit.
correct.
Sure,
Yes,
sure. So I'm Sunita Rawat and I'm from a beautiful region of Chamoli, Uttarakhand. I am mother to two boys and I run two YouTube channels, namely Sunita's English Adventure and Dear Listeners. And I teach spoken English to intermediates and beginners. So that's pretty much about me. Do you also
yes,
want to
ma'am.
introduce yourself?
Yeah, definitely. It is the main part of our conversation, actually, na?
Right.
So, so first of all, namaste, ma'am, and good evening, and Shastri Akal. So, my name is Sangeeta, and I hail from UP Muradabad, and I am a mother of one child. Apart from this, I run a YouTube channel, and my channel name is Advocate Sangeeta, and where I upload the conversational videos. And in actually, I have completed master in arts, and now I am pursuing a degree of law. And now, if I talk about my hobbies, so earlier my hobbies were different, but now my hobbies is different. Now, like listening to podcasts and watching conversational videos, and actually, I want to engross myself in this language, and I'm
Mm-hmm.
making sessions. So nowadays, my these kind of habits I have.
Right,
Yes, ma'am.
right. And it is going to be beneficial for you. When you follow your passions,
Yeah.
you feel happy about
Yes.
it and
Yeah.
you get
Actually,
into
ma'am.
it a lot.
Yes, actually, when I start doing something like watching conversational video and making session, so these things makes me happy a lot.
Hmm.
Otherwise, if I don't do like this, so I feel that I don't do anything in my day. My
Right.
day is not productive. When I
Mm-hmm.
do something and I related to English, so I think that yeah, my day is a little bit productive, I think.
Very nice. Very
So,
nice.
yes. So, ma'am, nowadays, so many people are facing about shadowing because they want to improve our English and they want to improve our English very quickly manners, you know.
Mm-hmm. Right.
So, they are facing so many difficulties how to do. So, I
Mm-hmm.
think shadowing is the best part to improve our English. So, can you tell me how does it work?
Sure, sure. And it is rightly said that this is so true in today's world that people don't have time. They are always in rush. They are racing to things, right? They want everything in just no time. So for them, shadowing can be very beneficial for them because it doesn't take much time. You can learn many things in just one go. Shadowing is simple because it just means that you have to imitate the speaker or copy them as it is, right? So you can do shadowing practice through videos. Like when you watch videos, it is advisable to watch short videos when you do shadowing practice because long videos, you might feel tedious or you might feel boring, I would say. So short video will work best here. So take a short video and play one line and then pause it and repeat the same line three times in the same tone, in the same pronunciation, the same rhythm, or as the speaker said, like it should be complete copy of the speaker, complete shadow of the speaker, right? So that's what shadowing practice is. So when you repeat it twice or thrice, you start getting hang of it, you start memorizing things, you start, having the same pace, the same tone when you practice, because it's all about practice only. If you
Yes.
practice speaking in a certain way, slowly and gradually you will be able to gain that naturally too, like it will happen over time, right? So that's what shadowing is about. People have this problem of pronunciation, but when you imitate the speaker as it is, you are clearing your pronunciation as well. So have you ever practiced shadowing? Any benefit that you
And
found?
yeah, yeah, I don't do much practice of shadowing, but I will do in a further
Hmm.
because when I realized that when I start shadowing, so I feel that yeah, I can get actually, ma'am. When we practicing shadowing, we don't command on speaking English.
Hmm.
Apart from this, we command on the gesture and
Hmm.
face expressions and pronunciations and all these things we can command while
Right.
shadowing. It is
Right.
not just only one things, only
Hmm.
speaking. So we
Right.
can cover all the things. So I think speaking, practicing shadowing is the very beneficial part for everyone, for
Hmm.
all.
Right.
But
Right.
the thing is that, ma'am, what kind of video we should choose.
Mm-hmm.
Because when we start choose any video, so we doesn't come to know what video is good and what video is not correct.
Mm-hmm.
Because as you know, ma'am, as the child is grow up in a bad environment, and the person who are living around him, and they are speaking tu kahan ja raha hai, the child will speak like this tone.
Mm-hmm.
This is
Right.
actually in my in my dogma that it is called shadowing. Do you know,
Mm-hmm.
ma'am? So if the children is living in a good area, good atmosphere, and the person who are living around him, and they are speaking very good manner, where are you beta,
Mm-hmm.
कहाँ जा रहे हैं आप, the children will reply like this in a politely manners. So that when the children listen, observing, and they always follow that kind of politeness and
Mm-hmm.
rudeliness. So
True. True. True.
likewise, when we
Mm-hmm.
choose any correct video, do you know, when we correct any good video, so we will follow all the things like
Mm-hmm.
speaking way, gesture way, expression way, and tone as well. So what video will you suggest that this video
Mm-hmm.
is perfect, and the gesture and everything is available in that video?
Right, right. And you're so right here because it will not just improve your language, but it is going to improve your body language as well. And body language plays the
Personality
major role in
development.
communication skills, right? 80%
Yeah.
is, totally dedicated to the body language because when people meet you, they first see your smile, your body language, and then they listen to you. So definitely
Yeah.
you learn how to develop your personality too through shadowing
Yes.
practice. But
Actually, English
mhm,
is demand. English is demand for all the things. That's
mhm,
why you will say that, yeah, he is a good speaker. Otherwise, not.
right, right, right. So when you spoke about that, which video to choose for sharing practice, that time I would say it depends
Yeah.
on your level first. If you are a
Yeah.
beginner, you need to choose videos of children that are meant for children or simple videos which you can
Okay.
understand very well, right? And you'll learn a lot from those videos too because you're a beginner. So definitely it is going to help you. You'll add some vocabulary or some expression, so something out of it. And then when you level up, let's suppose you are at intermediate level, so choose videos accordingly. Don't go for native speakers directly, I would say. Go for native speakers when you become advanced speaker. And that time it would be very difficult for you to mimic native speakers if you want to mimic their accent as well and the complete tone, right? So that time it would be good. But being an Indian or I would say an English language enthusiast, I would always suggest people to have a neutral accent. No need to run after these American British accent, right? If you are really fascinated by it, you can definitely go and try to develop it again by shadowing practice only you can do, right? When you start observing the native speakers and then imitating them as it is, you'll develop an accent too if you want. Otherwise, go for neutral accent that is accepted worldwide, right? So this is how you can choose the videos for yourself according to your level.
Okay. Ma'am, how much time we will have to use the shadowing practice in a day? Means
Hmm.
half an hour, 25 minutes, and means how much time we will have to do practice for improving ourselves more and more.
Right, right. Good question. So I would say don't overdo it. Like you can take two videos in a day. If you are a beginner or intermediate, take two short videos in a day and try practicing those two short videos throughout your day, right? Like if you're really interested in one line, let's suppose you've learned a line through shadowing practice and you're really interested in that. So you'll keep on murmuring, keep on uttering that line throughout your day, right? If you're really curious, if you're really interested. So you'll not get bored of it, right? So you can do
Yeah,
all day long. It depends on you.
yes, yes, ma'am. When we start our day from shadowing, so all the lines will spinning in our mind. As
Yeah.
I remember, I vividly remember that, ma'am.
Mm-hmm.
When I listen any song in the early in the morning, means whatever song, and I whole the day I sing a song in my mind and
Right.
loudly. So this
Mm.
is the things, ma'am. Actually,
Yes, that
I
happens.
realize
Shame with shadowing.
shadowing.
You can start your day with shadowing.
Yeah, we start our day from the shadow. If we start our day from the shadow, so
Mhm.
I think it will work a lot.
True, true,
Yes,
true.
because all the pronunciations and all the vocabs will spinning in our mind automatically.
Right,
It will
right.
come up. Yes, ma'am. So I think shadowy practice is best. And apart from this, what should we do?
Apart from shadowing practice,
Yes,
right?
ma'am.
So shadowing practice, you're watching the video and you're listening to it. So apart from this, you can read too. Like in shadowing practice only, I would say you have to turn on the subtitles. Otherwise, there are many activities that you can do in your everyday life, I must say. The more things you will indulge yourself into, you'll get better at things, right? But as we are talking about shadowing practice only, so I would say you can do your reading practice through the same. You can simply turn on the subtitles, okay? And once uh, you have played that first line, then pause it and repeat it 3 times. When you repeat it, you have to read it and then repeat. You simply don't have to listen to it and then repeat without reading, but you have to turn on the subtitles on, read it. Like when you speak, you have to speak as you read, right? So this is how you're doing your reading practice as well, right? You're looking at
So, ma'am,
spellings.
yes, yes.
So
So
that.
this technique will work to the children or not, ma'am? This technique, if we want that our children will start speaking in English in a good manner, with a
Mm-hmm.
correct manner, they don't commit any mistake while speaking. Because
Right.
generally, I have seen that when the children start grows,
Mm-hmm.
so they commit the mistakes
Mm-hmm.
while speaking. As I told you that earlier, that when the children listen, they try to speak like this. It is called
Right.
shadowing. So
Hmm.
it will work on the children or not if they start practicing shadowing.
I guess children do that all the time since their birth as well. They, observe things. When any children is born, they start observing things around them, and when they have their speech after some time, like after 6 months or so, they start uttering a few words, mama, papa, or like that. So they are doing that through shadowing only. When they hear this
Yeah,
word mama, papa, people say that, parents say that, say mama, say papa. So they start imitating, they start copying, so they're doing this all the time, and this is how they are learning the language, isn't
actually,
it?
the children always observe how our elders walking, how our
Mhm.
elders doing, how our elders speaking, and how our elders eating. They
Right.
all the things observe and they start doing like that.
So
Yeah,
without
I
getting
realize.
into grammar or intricacies of English language, you can simply be fluent through shadowing practice just by copying
Yes,
people. Or it is
yes,
also very important to copy the right person, copy the fluent speakers, not someone who is speaking broken English. If you will copy someone who is not good at English, you will acquire the same mistakes as them, right? So you need to choose the speakers very wisely. If I give you
no,
some examples, then you can go for Priyanka Chopra, Shushmita
yes,
Sen, Alia Bhatt is there, okay? And then there is one motivational speaker, Simarjeet Singh, right? And then Janvi is always there. Janvi, I hope you know Janvi, Wonder Girl of India,
okay.
right? So there are many fluent speakers. You can copy them, you can imitate them or shadow them, I would say.
Yes, ma'am. And thanks for suggesting me all the
Mhm.
name because my audience
There are
will get
many.
many. Yeah, because my audience will get many names to find
Mhm.
any who influencer is good and bad for the shadowing practice actually.
Right,
Because
right.
nowadays it is very beneficial for those who want to do shadowing practice and they
Hmm.
are facing difficulties. They are in a dilemma.
Hmm.
What influencer we have to choose for the shadowing practice actually, ma'am.
True, true.
So
Because.
thanks for suggesting these
Mhm.
names, and me too will start because it is a part of learning, and
Mhm.
we all are learning. So that's why I will to start with this
Mhm.
shadowing practice. and I
Right.
will follow all these what you name, what you mentioned, all these name actually.
Definitely, you
Yes,
should go for
ma'am.
it. Like
Yes,
you're
ma'am.
also making a little pronunciation mistakes here and there, so you can correct your pronunciation through this practice,
Yes, ma'am. But
right?
actually, this is the main part.
Mm-hmm.
This is the main part, how we are pronouncing the word. If we are
Mm-hmm.
pronouncing the word very good manner, very well, so our English will be enhanced.
True.
Otherwise, if our pronunciation is not good, so
Mhm.
nobody can't catch us, nobody can't understand what we are want to say, what we want to say actually.
Yes,
Because
yes, that.
in the English language, pronunciation is the matter to
Mm-hmm.
understand everything. So that
Right,
is,
right.
yeah, it will work actually. Shadow practice will work a lot.
That's true. If you want to,
Your child is with you.
he got a gift. See,
Oh,
a
from where?
pencil box.
Wow, hi, how are you, Bacha? How are you?
He's
Good
not able
boy.
to. Hmm.
Yes.
Go.
He got this pencil box from his school
Not from
and
his
from
school,
him.
but his bua gifted him.
Oh my God, actually,
Ah.
all the children loves his Bua, and my niece nephew is also
Mm-hmm.
loves me a lot.
Right. So he's so excited about it.
Okay, ma'am. That's why he
Right,
doesn't
right.
wait. He doesn't wait, and he
Hmm.
bought a gift to show you.
Right, right. Yes.
Yes, ma'am. This
Okay.
is
Do you
the
have
fact.
any more questions about shadowing? We can cater
Yes,
to that.
ma'am. Yes, ma'am. I have completed. Now can
Hmm.
continue whatever you want.
Okay, okay.
Yes, ma'am.
So, tell me, how is your practice going on, English practice?
Yeah, ma'am. What should I say? Actually, my practice nowadays is not going very well. But
Mm-hmm.
yeah, a little bit I'm trying because last yesterday I completed my assignment and one file is left. Actually, I didn't get the assignment from the side of my college. When I got the assignment from the side of my college, I will complete that file.
Mm-hmm.
And now I will have to prepare myself for the exams. But
Right, right.
I completed my assignment, but I didn't complete myself for giving the exams.
Mm-hmm. You
So
are
that's
not
why
prepared.
still I am not prepared for my
Mhm.
exams. So that's why I have to take a break for my learning these
Hmm.
conversational things.
Right. When are
So
your exams due?
actually, still I don't have any schemes when my exams will appear. I think it will be next month.
Okay, okay.
June.
Great, great, great.
June, it may happen
Mm-hmm.
sometimes. They will
Okay.
provide
Anytime in
sometimes.
June.
Anytime I can appear my
Mm-hmm.
exam.
Hmm.
So that's why I will not say that I'm too much in my conversational and into my
Mm-hmm.
reading and anything. But
Mm-hmm.
I will do my own study.
Right,
But
right.
ma'am, earlier in my video, you advised me I will have to study, means reading.
Mm-hmm.
So
Hmm.
I got a book from Misho and
Okay.
Sudha Murthy book. So I
Okay.
start reading from today
Uh-huh. Which is
because you
great.
advised me reading is the
Hmm.
best part. So I read a one story only today. I read
Which book have you got?
Sudha Murthy.
Sudha
Sudha Murthy.
Murthy's?
Yes, ma'am. Sudha Murthy, wise and otherwise. Yes, this.
Okay. I too have this book. I'll read it.
Yes, ma'am. So I think this is the small stories.
Hmm.
So I think that I'm not too much into reading. So
Mm-hmm.
if I will start from this book, it is a
Mm-hmm.
small story. So I think I will be read one story in a day.
Right,
I will try
right.
to read. So
Right,
whenever
right.
I find some vocabs in this book and I highlighted that word. And after that, I will go for
Mm-hmm.
ChatGPT and I will find out. And like this,
Mm-hmm.
I will enhance my vocabulary.
Great, great. That's a great way. And I must say, if you want to inculcate a habit of reading, then you should start small, like with small stories day by day. You'll not feel
Yeah.
overwhelming. You'll not feel it as a daunting task, I would say. So it's good. That's why I also start with small stories only.
Yes, because I can't read biggest long story. I can't
Mm-hmm.
read because it is the monotonous task for me to read the longest story. So
Hmm,
that's why
right.
I choose this book, and I start reading from today. And let's see when I will finish this book. So I
Hmm.
think it will take time for me.
Yes, you can take your own time. You are already busy in preparing for your exam, so that is the topmost priority, right?
Yeah, yes, yes,
One
yes,
page a
ma'am.
day would also be enough.
Yeah, I
Mhm.
will try to read only one page
Right.
until my exam will not appear.
Hmm.
So I will enjoy only one paper, not I will go through all the paper actually.
Right, right. There is this another book, Grandma's Story, from Sudha Murthy only, and they have
Okay,
just 1 or 2 page stories in that. Like the chapters are for just 1 or 2 pages, so that is also good to go.
okay. I will when I will complete this book, I will buy
Mm-hmm.
that book and I will
Right,
start.
right, right.
Because I like Sudha Murthy a lot, ma'am. Because
Mm-hmm.
her character is too good, actually. Actually, I
Right.
listen to her video in my YouTube channels.
Mm-hmm.
So I resonate with her a lot. So
Mm-hmm.
that's why I wanted to read her book actually, ma'am.
Mm-hmm.
So that's
Right,
why
which
I
is
got
good.
her book, ma'am.
And since we are Indians, so we can resonate very well with Indian stories only. Sometimes we
Yes,
are not able to relate to foreign stories, foreign culture, right?
yes, ma'am. That's
Mm.
right. Because we love the Indian. That's
Yes,
why
we can
we like
feel that, we
Indian.
can live that,
We can live, yeah, we live that. So that's why we
mm.
love Indian and we love Indian story. That is the
And we love
reason.
Sudhamurti.
Yeah. She is a very humble.
Ah, very humble
That's why I
person.
like too much her
Mm.
actually, ma'am.
Right,
Yes,
right.
ma'am. Yes.
Okay, any questions?
Yes, ma'am. I
You're
have
done?
done. Yeah,
Okay,
I've done. Yes, ma'am.
great.
Oh,
So, like you can tell me whatever next you want to talk upon. We'll take that up for next session, all right?
yes, ma'am. We will meet in our next section, and
Mm-hmm.
our conversation is too good. And thanks
Mm-hmm.
for coming on my channels. And once again,
Uh-huh.
I'm
Right.
very happy, and I'm over the moon. I don't have any word to elaborate myself. Actually, I
Mm-hmm.
can't tell
Yes.
you how much
It's
I am
always nice
happy.
talking to you.
Yes, ma'am. I can't
Mm-hmm.
tell you. I don't have any words to express myself. I'm too happy to have in my session for my
Mm-hmm.
audience, actually.
Thank you so much for inviting me, and I'll be back again after some time.
Yeah,
Okay.
yes, ma'am. Definitely. We will meet next time.
Uh-huh. Okay, then. Have
Okay,
a great
okay.
evening. Take care.
Yeah, ma'am. Yes, ma'am. Now I'm going to have a tea.
Me too.
Yes, ma'am. Yes. Okay,
Okay,
thank you.
bye.
Bye bye. See you.